Hey, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel. I just wanted to document this before I ate it all. I used the rice that I made in the blender the other night for that video I showed. And this morning, when I was hungry, I fried up some sausage links. And then after they were done frying, I cut them up with the scissors in little bits. And then I poured out most of the oil from the pan, not all, but I had also fried up some little peppers I had from the garden, and then some little hot peppers too. I got these little, I don't even know what they're called. I've had it for so long, but they're super duper hot, and I put like a half of one in here, and I'm a wimp when it comes to that kind of stuff, but it made it actually darn good. So after I removed the oil and the peppers, I stuck the Shirataki rice in to soak up a little bit of the grease, and then I added everything back in, and probably just a little bit more of the grease that I had poured off, and then I cut up one of those little itty bitty hot peppers. So it's actually quite good. I know I'm a weird cooker, but it does it in a pinch, and I love, love, love the texture of this rice. Yeah, it's like eating the cauliflower, but a little bit better. There's no taste whatsoever except what I put on it. So this is going to be a staple, I think, rather than just noodles. Oh yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think. Thank you. Bye.